Why do sales
So the
tax
reason why they
organizations
get
get
mad
so
about
angry?
this is it's not, hey, you didn't make money and not give a portion of that to us. You took our money. You lied to the public and said that you are collecting 3%, 8%, 9% of their invoice, and you have that, right? So that's fine that you don't have any profit of your business, but the money you're keeping is not profits, right? This is state money. There is one other thing that is also a trust tax, and that is withholding, right? Payroll taxes. Because again, this is money that you are taking from the employees, and they are trusting you to hold that and give it to someone else. If you do not pay trust taxes, like sales tax, like withholding, they will get nastier than you have ever, ever, ever seen. So what can we learn from this? You don't mess around with trust taxes, right? I get it. Things are tough. You might not be able to pay your income tax. There is chances of that happening. There is absolutely no reason that you could ever justify not being able to pay your sales tax because it's not your money. It should never went into another bank account or be thought as such. And same thing with your employees withholding, right? If your employees owed $1,000, you paid them $750 because you withheld $250 of their withholding. You can see how messed up it is for you to say, hey, not only is my employee not getting it, neither is the government. I'm going to keep it. They get mad. They will yell. But the IRS is probably not going to put you in jail for payroll taxes. And if they do, you'd probably have to owe them a couple $1 million for a very long time. Unlike sales tax, right? They have a short fuse. Another thing about this is the IRS, there is law and order. The IRS, there is case law on this. The IRS, we can appeal this stuff. We can go to a manager. We can get it transferred to a different office. There are hundreds, thousands, maybe less than there was yesterday with the current economy. But there are so many people at the IRS to deal with an issue, to get a different opinion on this stuff, to fight this stuff, whatever it is. What we can learn from this story is sales tax offices are generally very, very small. If this is done in your state on a county level, it could be 2 or 3 people. Some of these audits have gone so bad because if this agent really has it out for you and you do not have your documentation correct and they just feel like, hey, you're guilty, we can appeal this, but your manager might be their best friend, right? They might be the manager, or they might even be the county commissioner, right? Some of this, we start dealing with small town politics stuff where life isn't fair, right? But who are you going to complain to? The big thing on it, you shouldn't be getting in a point to hopefully have that argument.